love the team that they have. Like, oh, it's awesome. Here we are, we're riding Thor's hammer in Denmark over at Djurs Sommerland. You guys strong enough to ride?
I think so, yeah.
We were just asked if we are strong enough to ride. We said yes, but that's probably a lie. But we'll see how we do on this. All right, you guys give us a thumbs up if you guys also want to ride Thor's hammer. Here we go. No! All right, here we come into this sort of wild mouse type of section of the ride. Ready? Oh! Here we go. Oh! Oh! Oh man! Oh! And oh! Oh! Thor's helix! Oh! Thor's second helix! Woo! Oh God, we're coming into Thor's house. Hello, Thor. Goodbye, Thor. Whee! Oh, horse. Thor's. I just said horse. There's no horse on this ride. It's Thor. Thor's hammer and helix, not horse. Let's just rewind that and start over. Thor's hammer at Djurs Sommerland. It was good, right?
That was awesome.
That was awesome. Thumbs up.